We just received a glowing review from someone who's thrilled about our top-notch 5-star service. It makes us proud to share such great compliments with everyone now. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top-quality service. We work one-on-one with every individual to ensure we meet their expectations. Complete satisfaction is extremely important to our company. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Come by and experience our impeccable service today. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Contact us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.